In this presentation, we'll show you the steps needed to get started with your Proxipen kit. The kit contains everything you'll need. Open the box and you'll find the following: 1 Proxipen, 1 data transfer unit or DTU, TopGuard software on a CD, a USB cable, and some tags. So where do we start? Firstly, put the disk in your CD drive. The software installation should start automatically, but if it doesn't, simply browse to the CD-ROM drive and double-click the file called setup.exe. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. There aren't many steps to the process, and it's all very easy. We suggest that you select the complete setup for simplicity. Once the software is installed, connect one end of the USB cable to the DTU. There are different types of connectors on each end, so it's not possible to get it the wrong way round. When the other end is connected to a USB port on the computer, the drivers will start to load. When complete, the power and online LEDs on the data transfer unit will be lit. Remove the end cap from the Proxipen and take out the plastic disc that protects the battery. The battery must be fitted with the negative terminal outwards. Replace the end cap. Place the Proxipen on the data transfer unit and check that the pen LED lights. The next step is to run TopGuard software by double-clicking this shortcut icon. Select Administrator for full rights and click the Login button. Select Pen DTU and click the Configuration button. Select the correct time zone for where you are. The Communication section will show which serial port is used for the data transfer unit, with information on serial number, software version, etc. Click Exit. Next, select Proxipen from the opening screen and click the Configuration button. The TopGuard software will search for a Proxipen and display the serial port. Click on the Set to PC Date and Time button to set the clock in the Proxipen and press the Exit button. We'll now learn some tags into the system. Place them on a desk and remove the Proxipen from the data transfer unit. The pen LED will turn off. Present the Proxipen to each tag, note that the LEDs flash and the pen beeps. Return the Proxipen to the data transfer unit and check that the pen LED turns on. From the TopGuard software opening screen, click the Tours button. We'll now add control points from the Proxipen and click to read all control points we've just read in. The tags now appear in the pool of available control points, so we can clear the control points from the pen's memory. Now add the control points from the pool into the tour on the right-hand window. The button with the double green arrow will add all control points as shown. Click the New Tour button, followed by Yes, to group the control points into a defined tour. Then click Exit and Yes to save changes. The default names for the control points don't really mean much to the operator, so it's possible to rename the tags to make the system easier to use. Select the tag, right-click the mouse, and select Rename from the drop-down menu. Simply type in the new name for that tag. It's also possible to rename a tour from its default of Tour 1 in the same way. Finally, click Exit button, followed by Yes to save changes. Having set up the control points and created a tour, we can now run it and generate a report. We'll start by simulating a tour by reading each of the tags again. Use TopGuard and click on the Download button. Click on Download again to transfer data from the Proxipen into the software. Note the progress bar and the Ben battery condition indicator. Click Exit when complete. Next, click on the Report button. The data is then imported into the database. Set the date and time for the start and end of the report and click the Report button. This report shows two tours, one made before and one made after the tags were renamed. The full Proxipen instruction manual is available from our website at www.amag.com/eu, together with lots of other useful information. Simply click on Library and GCS Documents. Thank you for listening to this presentation on the Proxipen kit.